Hey everybody, Carl here from Apton. In this video, we're going to show you how to adjust the pedestal configuration on the new LG Nano90 series. This will actually apply to the Nano80 series as well for 2021 because they have the same type of pedestal configuration. So what you're looking at here is the narrow setup. So these are right around 17 inches apart. We're going to show you how to switch it from this to the wide setup, so stay tuned. So the first thing you're going to want to do is lay down some sort of a soft material because you have to lay the TV face down. I just used the kind of the foam wrapper that came with the TV from the factory. So you lay that down and then you're going to lay the TV down flat on its screen on top of that soft material. And then you're going to unscrew the two screws that are in the pedestal foot already. So now that we've gotten the pedestal taken off, you're gonna see a notch at the top and then a little notch at the bottom here. The bottom one goes into this hole here just to kind of hold it steady. And then this one has a little kind of a hook on it. So you're going to angle it in like that and then push down, and that should hold it safely in place. And then you're just gonna put those two screws right back in. And then we're gonna just do the exact same thing on the other side. So the last steps, as you can see, we're just picking the TV back up, taking the paper out from underneath and setting it back down. And now we have the wide set pedestal configuration. So it's super easy. There's 4 screws and there's defined notches to hook everything into. So it's a straightforward process. So anybody should be able to do it. Just make sure you have a second person there with you to kind of help move the TV around because it is fairly heavy between the 80 and the 90. So that's all it is to set your pedestal to a wide or a narrow configuration. Thank you as always for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.